Hello everyone, this is the solution for strange calc, one of the challenges for the Huntress 2024 CTF competition. Um, the competition is still going on. It's the 6th of October when I'm recording this, so this will be made available later. So we're given, after extracting the zip file, you're given a calc.exe. If we take a look at this and detect it easy, it's recommended to do this within a virtual environment because the exe file, it will make changes to your system. It can actually cause it to freeze, if I remember correctly. So yeah, if we look at this, it's a PE32, and we see that there is packing going on by UPX, and we can check if we go to entropy, it says it's packed, yeah. So, what we can do is, I want to make sure that I have a snapshot. Yeah, I do, okay. So, we're going to open up x32dbg. And let's actually restart as admin, because if I remember correctly, this executable needs to be set as admin. It needs to be run as admin. So let's open this up. Okay, apparently I can't drag it in. That's weird. So yeah, we're gonna open desktop, calc. Yep. Okay. Now, if we sort of let it run, it's going to unpack some stuff. It's going to unpack itself, and there should be yeah, so I might just let this run, to be honest. Yeah, I'm just going to let this run. Failed to open the calculator. Now we have a JavaScript encoded script. So if we actually open this in Notepad++, we can see that this is much use to us. So let's actually put this into CyberChef to see if it can detect anything. So you just saw what it is, but I'll just show you kind of what it looks like when you're solving this. Yeah, so it's a Microsoft script decoder, so it can actually do something with it. And so we get some JavaScript here that looks a little bit, you know, it's kind of hard to read. So we can actually take this JavaScript code, and I actually have it in here. I used a tool to make it to quote-unquote prettify the code. And so what you'll see is that there's actually some at the end there's some execution going on where it tries to, let's see where it is. It tries to open up a shell and execute something. It wants to execute this. So what I did here was I removed that execution, and we can see that there's a var m, right? And there's this encoded text. And what it does is it passes it in. This is kind of obfuscated. It's passing it into the function a, right? And it's doing a bunch of fancy string replacements, and it looks like replacements and like some math, and it's meant to be confusing. But basically, what you can do is that at the end of it, it's decoding the string and putting it into var c. So after all of these loops run, we can console.log c, right? And we actually don't need this right here. before it returns the substring and then executes the malicious code. So I'm going to save this, and I'm actually going to do node test.js, and we have our flag. So yeah, that was kind of how I solved strange calc. I think some people, there's another method where some people did it all statically, which I think is the harder method. Yeah, that's it for strange calc. Thanks.